You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. Bitcoin is trading at 26.8k as at the recording of this video, and market has approached this level of resistance. Is market going to move up or come back down as I am expecting on this channel? And we are going to look at the 4-hour chart. Is market going to come down from here? ETH, Matic, and ADA. All of these and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please help like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other educational content. Bitcoin 1-day chart, I was talking to you about the market moving down and that I'm expecting the market to enter into this level of support. So this area of support is very valid for me. And like I said on this very channel, except the market move above this level of resistance and this other zone right here, then I am not expecting the market to begin to move to the upside on the long run. Okay, so on the long term, for market to move upward, then there should be a breakout at this very point. So I am still expecting that this market move into this level of support. That is my directional bias. That is what I am still expecting at the moment, even though the MACD histogram is still forming on the positive side of the MACD with green bars. This is an indication that the market have capacity of moving to the upside, but I am still expecting that the 1-day chart find its way into this level of support. And from here, we will see the market break. If market enter here, then we look for a breakout. And if market breaks out of this very zone of important support, then market is going to ride into this very area of $21,000 and $20,000. That is this very zone of support again. This is what I am expecting on the chart right now. Like I said in my past videos, except the market break above this level of resistance, which is very critical for me, the market is going to come back to the downside. The market have more capacity of moving back to the downside than moving upward right now on Bitcoin. And if there is any news that will hinder the market from moving to the downside or make the market to move to the upside, like the Bitcoin ETF, which we are expecting, I will also update you guys on this very channel. So on the 1-day chart, still expect the market to move to the downside into this level of support first, and then a breakout from this level of support will enhance the market to move downward. And on the 4-hour chart, we see a little bit of movement from this area of support to the upside. Market approach this level of resistance. Market have not really break out of this level of resistance, and right now market is at this point. What do you think? Is this market going to move up and create a new high higher than this? What I am expecting right now is for market to come back down, because if you look at this movement, market move all the way from here to this very area. So retracement is needed in the market right now. So market is going to come down from here. So from where the market is right now to this very area of 27,300, this very zone, market is going to come down from here to this very area of 26,300. Okay, then from here the market is going to find support again and move to the upside. This is what I am expecting on the 4-hour chart, from this very area of 27,300 and where the market is right now at this very point of 26,896. Market should come back down into this very zone of 26,300 and this very area of 26,400. Market should come back down into this very area, and then from this zone market should begin to move up again. This is what you should pay attention to right now on the 4-hour chart, BTC USDT. And on ETH, we see that the market have created a new high, higher than the previous high at this very area with this very candle. What you should be paying attention to right now, since the market has moved all the way from here upward, this is not the right time to buy anymore, because market has moved significantly into this zone and market has already broken this very level of resistance. and market should retrace. Anyway, market breaks out, but I don't think this market is going to further continue to the upside. Rather, a good retracement is needed before the market continuation upward, just like I talk about on BTC USDT. So on the ETH chart, what you should be paying attention to right now is a retracement. So where the market is right now of 1,672, and this very area of resistance, that is 1,692, this very point is a point of retracement to the downside into this very area before market is going to continue to the upside. So from this very point of support right here, market is going to find support at this very point and this very level for the market to move upward. So wait for the market to retrace a little bit into this very zone. This very area will be a nice time to buy again, and I will also update you on this very channel. So pay attention to all of these as you are trading during the weekend. And on the other chart, you see ADA is approaching this very level of resistance all the way from this very area of support. Right now, market has moved significantly upward. I am not in any buy position. I was not expecting the market to buy up to this very point of resistance. So right now, expect retracement, because for every market that moves significantly upward into a resistance level, especially in this very case of ADA, market must definitely retrace. It does not matter how bullish the candle is, as we are seeing in this very area. So right now, expect the market to retrace within where the market is right now and this price level of 0.258. So on ADA, this very zone is where the market is going to retrace from. So market is going to retrace back down, significant retracement into this area of support and this very zone of support into this very zone. Then from here, market is going to ride up again. This is what you should be expecting on the other chart. A retracement into this zone, then this will be a nice buy spot or buy zone for the market to move upward. This is what you should be paying attention to right now on the other chart. And on Matic, we have seen a significant movement on Matic from this very area right here to the upside. And right now, I am expecting this market to move a little bit upward. So from this very area of 0.53 and where the market is right now, market should move into this zone, and then from here we are going to see retracement come into the market into this very zone of support right here and this very other zone. Then from here, market is going to move back to the upside again. That means you don't need to take a buy where the market is right now, because market is going to move a little bit into this very area. Then from this very zone, market is going to come back down into this level of support. And I am also going to update you on when to take a buy position on this very area. So now wait for retracement. At the end of retracement into this very area will be a nice time to buy the market for the next move to the upside. This is what you should be watching right now on Matic. ADA, this is not the right time to buy. This is not the right time to sell. Wait for the market to retrace, and then from here a good buy for the market to move upward. The same thing on ETH and also on BTC. What do you think about the market right now on this very chart, BTC 4-hour chart? Do you think this market is going to retrace as predicted into this very zone of 26.4k and 23.4k before the next move to the upside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.